Look, it's Donald Trump with acne. Pretty. These are pretty too. How dare you soil my mini pumpkins with the freaking Broncos.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, pumpkin scream all night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat, and make a sanitize. It's our town, everybody scream.
Diabetes, 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 diabetes.
So as promised at the end of my last vlog, I have a medium-sized Walmart haul. I have to go back technically today because it's just after 12 midnight. So pop up the new date transformation on the screen right now because I got 2 pairs of lounge pants or like jammy pants, whatever, to lounge around the house, and they were right next to my size. So I was just assuming, hey, they're in my size, right? And no, bitch, they were wrong. And I'm like, huh? I thought I double checked. Apparently I didn't. I'm gonna try to go first thing in the morning because that's when it's least busy. Into the haul, first thing I picked up was a new sports bra. This one is just a plain black one. I'll tell you guys the prices of these if they have the prices on them. This was like $11.98 or 89, something like that. So this one, I tried it on. Very nice and secure. Will hold my tatas in place. These are my favorite regular bras of all time. I have 2 of them already. This is my 3rd one. So these are from, oh, I didn't even say what brand this was. This is from Avia. Got this regular bra. It's from Nobo. It's a cami bra, seamless, removable pads, and like you don't have to like hook anything. It's just a very comfy bra, and I removed pads from all. I already removed the pads from this. I'm gonna remove the pads from this because pads just make your boobs look weird on me, at least. Yeah, but this is only $7 with tax, or plus tax. So these are really nice and comfortable. I got this shirt because it's like the closest thing I've found to what may semi-match my costume if I decide on this costume for Halloween day. I decided I got 2 costumes for what I'm going as for my Halloween costume this year. And if this is what I decide to do for Halloween day, I got this top. It's like a mustardy yellow, like thermal almost, but not as, maybe it's a thermal, I don't know. That's not a tag for it. This was like $9, and I am gonna cut it up slightly, not like I did with the other shirt, which was like $5, but make it like just like a little bit sexier and a little bit like cooler looking. So got this right here to go mainly as my costume, and I can wear it afterwards too. I'm gonna just like cut the neckline up here and cut the sleeves down here. So hopefully that will look good with my costume. Needed something, I would have preferred something in purple, blue, or a different color yellow, but it works hopefully. One of my favorite things. I don't know if you guys remember me saying this in my last vlog. Oh God, do they have this in my size? I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, well, they didn't have that one in my size, but they did have a Friday the 13th one, which I did pick up. But I just, because I was like, maybe this time around they will have it, and they did. They had 2 left in my size. Picked up the Exorcist shirt. Oh my goddess, I am so excited. One of my favorite movies, not just horror movies, one of my favorite movies of all time. Mama Blaze picked up the other one that was in it because we're both like the same size in shirts, at least. Got 2 pairs of really comfy going out pants. The only thing is they fit great around the waist. These are plus sizes. Why do companies think that plus size people are automatically taller? It's like, okay, they're bigger this way, so they must be bigger this way. What about shorter plus size people or just average height plus size people? Why do we have to be tall and plus size? Because these like drag on the ground, and this is not the only ones. Like every pair of pants that I buy drags on the ground, and I'm not the only one. Every plus size family member, friend, acquaintance that I know they all complain of the same thing. We all complain of the same thing. Stop making pants so damn long. What? I don't care enough about these pants to get them hemmed, to pay to get them hemmed. I'm just gonna cut them because like they're not that expensive. Oh, this was $9 in tax. What are these gorgeous like moons, suns, astrological stuff, planets, black pants, very stretchy, very comfy, also from Nobo. This, I didn't think I said what brand this was. I know you guys like to know. This is from Time and True. I think these are also from Nobo. Oh, and these were on clearance for $5, both of these pants. Yes, these are also from Nobo. And these are so stretchy and like I love like the, what is it called? Like the ridges of these. This just like makes my legs look snatched. Love it. But again, so freaking long, and they've got ruffles on the bottom. I don't want to cut the ruffles off. I don't want to do that. And the piece de resistance, Mama Blaze found these and she actually offered to purchase them for me, herself and my sister. A few years back for Christmas, my mother got me, my sister, and herself matching nightgowns from Walmart for Christmas. And we all wore them around Christmas time. My sister still wears them like throughout all the cold months. She wears them more than any of us. Me and my sister took a picture for Christmas and I edited it and made it like look really nice and had it printed out, enlarged printing, and had it framed, enlarged. It's hanging up in our hallway, and I gave that to my mom as a Christmas gift one year. I'll have it hanging up right there in my closet. So it's something that's very special to us. So Mama Blaze found, they had a couple of them, couple out so far. And this one spoke to Mama Blaze the most. So we got a new Christmas nightgown that's like this plush material. Usually we don't gravitate towards white, but this one is just so classy, and we really like the robins on it, or like the red birds on it. It's just so classy and wintry and everything. It's just really, really pretty, and she really gravitated towards it and really, really liked it. So we're like, hey, Mama, she's like, I'll buy it. She's like, I want it really bad for all of us. So this was $17, $16.98. So we all have our winter Christmassy nightgowns that will keep us nice and warm. And lastly, if you watched my last vlog, my Spirit Halloween adventure vlog, you might have seen me yank this off the wall because I was going to pick it up, and I decided maybe next time. And I saw it again and I was like, I don't want them to sell out, and I need this. And it was like, I was like kicking myself for not picking it up last time. So I got it. I got the It's Good to Be Wicked sign. So I'm going to take down one of the things I have hanging up, and I'm going to hang this up ASAP because look, it's me. It's wicked. It's good to be wicked. It is good to be wicked, and you guys should be happy to be wicked too. You all are wicked and amazing for it. Yes, it's good to be wicked. And that was my entire Walmart haul. So to celebrate Halloween first, me and Mama Blaze are gonna watch The Lodge, which is one of my favorite movies. I watch it at Christmas time too, because technically it takes place at Christmas time, so it counts as a Christmas horror movie. She's never seen it before, and her horror movies are like, her favorite kind are like psychological thrillers, which this kind of is. So I've convinced her to watch it with me. I took down my photo thing from up here and I put up my It's Good to Be Wicked sign. I love it. And yesterday, while I was watching Sense and Sensibility with Mama Blaze, I did this really quick abstract painting Halloween thing for this Halloween corner that we got going on here. So cute. I love our little cute Halloween corner, and this photo goes perfectly for Halloween corner. I love it. It's cute. Look, it's Donald Trump with acne. It's kind of tiny. It's a pie pumpkin. These are pretty too. Look it. These would be so fun to decorate with. Look at these. Ooh, supermarket Halloween stuff. Here I come. Oh my goddess. Oh my. Look, it's a little bag, but I so want this on my bed. Oh my God. Oh, it's $18. Oh, very cute. We got some very, ah, yes. Very, very wicked. Feeling witchy. Yes, feeling witchy. No comment. My home away from home. I need to get some nice fuzzy warm socks. So much Christmas stuff out. Papa Blaze and I are taking a nice early evening stroll. I did punch you in the arm. You deserved it.
You have it on video now.
Yes, I do. I intentionally put that on video.
Assault and battery. Hello, 911. My daughter just assaulted me in the park.
You deserved it. Maybe you should wash my dishes. Oh, this looks safe. This looks real safe. This better not be my legacy video. I really haven't done shit. Ah, the stream. I love it. The leaves are changing. Seriously, that's your thing. If I said I'm going to be bit by a rattlesnake,
I'm telling you how to avoid it.
The fact that we live in a place that has rattlesnakes is baffling.
If we're in New Jersey, they have compliment snakes.
Yeah, but you didn't bump into them in the park. We didn't bump into them in the park.
Depends on the park you had.
Not in our park. We had a petting zoo. Is that the burning bush from the Bible? Which is also pervy sounding. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi. You just said I'm getting a lot of D right now.
Yes, a lot of D, correct.
I'm getting so much D right now.
You're getting so much D, more than you get in the month. That's so funny.
Oh my God, you have no idea how much I wish that was true. Hey, puppy. I look like a hot mess, but I recently just came out of a bath and I am finally getting around to putting the dolls' spring and summer clothes away in storage, getting their fall and winter clothes out and in their dressers and drawers and everything like that. By the way, yesterday on my walk, I exceeded my 0.50 mile goal and I did this many. That's how much I did and how many steps I took and everything like that.
One eternity later.
I forgot how much intense work that is. It is a lot. So this is the duffel bag. I don't even know if I can manage to zip this up. So this is all their spring and summer clothes. I had to put some in here and some in here. Holy crap. And I am donating some clothes because it's always good to donate when you can. So I have some baby clothes here that I can donate. So that's gonna go right to the donating center, and hopefully I might go to the Ark tomorrow and maybe I can just drop it off there. We are having a major storm, a flash storm outside. Here's a clip of it. Yeah, just like came out of nowhere, but I felt it in my body all day. But I'm doing some lazy meal prepping. Instead of mashed potatoes, I'm doing mashed cauliflower. That's roasted garlic and herb. I found this at the grocery store and I thought that this would be a better alternative. 1 full serving of veggies per serving. That's good. And we found the equivalent of Mexicorn, which is Fiesta corn. So good. And there we go. Meal prepping is all done for the rest of the week. We got some baked chicken and some rice pilaf in there as well. So with some chicken gravy. So there we go. All meal prepping, all done. Mama Blaze and I are ending the night with What We Do in the Shadows because we love this show. Mama Blaze, who is your favorite character?
Sleep.
What? Sleeping? Let's try take two. Okay, who is your favorite character on What We Do in the Shadows?
Guillermo.
You like Guillermo? I love Guillermo. Who's your favorite vampire?
Vandercross.
Who's Vandercross?
You're not up to it.
I'm not up to, only because like I'm up to season 4 and we're still in season 2 for you? Okay. Take 3, last shot. Who's your favorite vampire?
The tall one.
The what?
The tall
Nandor?
one. And
Nandor's mine, but you can share. I'll let you have a little piece of Nandor because Nandor is daddy and we love him. Oh, Nadja's your favorite? I love Nadja too. I just brushed my teeth and washed my face, and I'm going to end this blickety blockety blue. That was so stupid. That was so stupid, Blaze. That was so stupid. Nobody's ever gonna take you seriously. You having a good time, Roz? You fitting in? Making friends? Do you like it here? Yeah. I bet you wish somebody would end it by dropping a house on you, huh? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not going to look like a hot mess so much in the next vlog, or hopefully not so much. I'm on my first day of my time, if you know what I mean. And I just like, I'm not feeling it. And also my fibromyalgia is out of control because of the storm we had. So I was just like lazy bum. I'm like, I don't feel like doing shit. Do I have blue on my nose? I ate something blue and I just brushed my teeth because I had blue all over my lips and my tongue. Look, still, I scrubbed the shit out of my tongue and still blue on there. I'm like a blue tongue skink. That lizard we used to have a whole bunch of when my mom bred lizards when I was a kid. We can go into that a whole nother time. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy, or at least as happy as you can be. And I hope you guys are having a good October and a good Blaizeween. Are you guys watching any spooky movies? Let me know down below if you guys are and what movies you guys are enjoying. Comment down below what you guys are doing for October and spooky season. And I will speak to you guys soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones. Stay wicked.